Okay girls, this is just a quick revision on how to measure an angle using a protractor. I guess the key thing to remember is if we just remember that here in the middle of the protractor, where both our lines intersect, is pretty where we need to put on the end of the triangle. So if we put it on the vertex of the triangle, we then need to ensure that the line, or one of the lines, from the vertex actually goes through the zero. Now that we know it goes through the zero, we can follow around the outside and we can see that it actually intersects at, let's try at 51 degrees. Okay, so it's 51 degrees. It doesn't matter which way we actually measure it, as long as we have the little cross lined up with our vertex, and again making sure that one of our lines goes through the zero. We can again come around and make sure. Just note that because the zero is on the inside of the protractor, we're actually following the inside of the protractor first, and again we end up with 51 degrees. Okay, so again 51 degrees no matter which way we look at it. When it comes to measuring a shape that is larger than the protractor, so we know that the protractor has a limitation of 180 degrees. So if I asked you to measure this angle for me, the easiest way to do that, rather than try and add up a whole lot, is measure the angle that we did. So measure the smaller angle, which we found out was 51 degrees. We know that if I go all the way around, so a circle, so a complete revolution is 360 degrees. If I then subtract 51 from that 360 degrees, it tells me that this angle here is 309 degrees. I hope that helps. Come and see me if you've got any questions.